Love is in the air. Hey guys, you're about to see this ring close up and personal, and the Wrongduck folks, they are so cool. I told them, man, this looks like it could be a wedding ring. They said, yeah, how about we throw in buy one, get one for half off, so you could have a his and hers, yours and mine, you name it. And that's what the deal is. Check the show notes. I don't have it in the video, but there'll be info on it there. Buy one, get one half off. Let's get on with the review. Greetings and welcome back to SmartWatchTix.com. Great to have you with us. We are back with Wrongduck, the company that is bringing us the most unique stuff. This is incredible. You hopefully saw the review of the Smart Bracelet just recently. Yep, a lady's bracelet. You can't even tell it's a smart device at all, which is the same thing with this HR1 smart ring of theirs. We've shown you lots of their smart rings, but nothing like this. This particular ring, I'll get it out of the box in a minute, looks like this. It looks like a wedding ring. It's got diamonds simulated around the edge, and it's got, of course, all the electronics for a smart ring, nice and thin. It's from Wrongduck. It's called the HR1 Bluetooth Smart Ring Health Tracker. It says for women, but guys, I got mine. I'm going to show it to you. Look at this. Sizes from 6 all the way up to 12. So whether you want to have a matching set for friendship rings with your beloved or literally a wedding ring, I mean, yeah, somebody like Taylor Swift that could have the biggest and best diamond in the world, her beau got away from giving her something perfect and went with a perfect imperfection, if you read the story about it. Super expensive, but one of a kind. Well, these are not super expensive, but they're definitely one of a kind. So if you're looking for something to work as a wedding ring that could definitely draw attention that both of you are wearing smart rings, wow, I think it's a great idea. What's inside of it? Oh, let's see. The description is it's crafted from premium stainless steel and zircon. Okay, it's a slim ring, and it combines elegant design with all-day comfort. And it's one of the thinnest ones I've seen. It's really something. Continuous health monitoring is available in this, so it'll track all of your health metrics, both of you. Pair it to your phones, compare your results. You've got advanced sleeping insights, which include deep, light, and REM. You guys interested in trying to join together in dream space? Well, this could tell you if you're both dreaming at the same time. Nice. You got daily activity and fitness tracking with it as well. There's no GPS in either of the rings, so you can't like do that with the ring. But if you take your phone along with you and run the app and do your activity from there, you can get your GPS tracking. You got family care and remote camera control, so you can take selfies or whatever you want, remotely from your ring as a trigger, or you can connect together as a family with your beloved or with your other family members through the app too. So a lot going on for us in this one. Now let's get into it. There, I got the box started, and I want you to see the unboxing, because if you're thinking of giving it like, we were talking about, you definitely want it to have a nice presentation feel to it, and it sure does. Here you go. The ring is standalone in its own little pocket, any of the sizes. This happens to be a size 10. It can go up to 12, down to 6. That's the ring itself. If I can get the camera to focus, you see little diamonds are in here. And the electronics are on the inside, the little charging port. And it's sweet. It's a tiny little thing. Very, very nice. Inside is the charging case. Outside is the rooster. I guess you heard him. Yeah, it's springtime. At least it thinks it's springtime. Open the case. You see it lights up. It's got a battery in here. It can remotely charge the ring when you're away from the AC, or you can plug it into a USB-C charger right there. Simple as taking it and dropping it in with the little magnetic coupling up in the front, closing it up. When it's red, it's charging. When it's green, it's done. And the blue shows you that you have charging power in the case itself. As you dig deeper in here, you find the charging cable that is unique. Look at this. It's not the USB one. We figure you already got that. This is the one that you can use to charge the ring directly. And if you watch the bracelet, it's exactly the same charger, so you can use it for the bracelet too. You just simply tap it on here, plug it in, and you can charge the ring without the case. So you have two different ways of charging it. Now we've got some other stuff in here. This is a little thing that was around the ring, I guess, that just some stuff, I guess, information. And then the Smart Ring product manual, which when you get into it gives you some basic instructions in all these different languages which are supported by the ring. The QR code, which tells you to download the app called Luck Ring. We're going to show you that next. I recommend you download it from the link I have in the show notes through the Google Play Store. That's the best option to make sure it's a good, clean app. After you open it, you're going to have these interface things going on. I'll leave this up here briefly so you can freeze frame it and read it or do a screenshot of it. You got basic FCC warnings, which is just about the Bluetooth information and whatnot, and then into other languages. Now let's switch to the app, because that's where the magic happens after you collect the data from these devices. Now the tethering app on this one, on the ring, is called Luck Ring, and it's different than the one we were using for the bracelet in the last review you saw. So you can have a bracelet and a ring, and they won't be competing on the same app, which sometimes happens if you have more than one thing. The app will only handle one and you lose the other. Not here, because you have two separate apps. This is what it looks like, a nice green ring, Luck Ring, in the Google Play Store. When you've downloaded it, installed it, set it all up, paired it to the ring, you open it, and you'll land in on this page here. Now, it says pull the sync up here. It's in the process of connecting to the ring. I've had it set up and been using it all day as it's starting to populate with data here. You see I've got a mind and body readiness recovery score in here. I've got heart rate, blood oxygen, heart rate variability, stress level, mental state, menstrual cycle. All of that was in the app for the bracelet, but this one also has a thermometer built into it in the ring, so you can get skin temperature as well. Now, any of these you can measure immediately. Now, if I take the ring, come back over here, and we say, for example, heart rate, and there's that thing that says make sure you wear it with the diode down. And guys, this is how I can tell for sure which way to put it on, because there's no indicator on the outside which way is up or down, and you want the diodes down. So I'm going to say next step, and it's going to show me the diode. It's across from that little thing there, that diamond. So I want to put it on my ring with that facing down. That's the best way to do it. And they're straight across from each other. So once you know and you have it set, that's where the red diode will be for doing the heart rate, and cancel this. And when I go into blood oxygen and say measure it, you see it's using the red diode for taking the blood oxygen reading. So you have all these instantaneous readings that you can do, including heart rate variability, including your overall stress level. And when you go into them, you also have hourly charts. Now that's green, but right now the video, there we go. Let's change the brightness slightly. Okay, I won't talk about that. A lot of you know what I just did there, and how does he do that on his phone to change the brightness just by sliding it? Yeah, check around on the channel. You'll find that out. I've got cover that a lot. But anyway, that has nothing to do with this. That's a phone thing, and it works on smartwatches. But this is the stress level. Shows you your hourly values and percentages in all of the different zones and whatnot. You also have the heart rate variability. And this is really, really cool. It shows you a Lorenz scatter plot. Now, I got some early videos from maybe 5 to 8 years ago that go into great detail about what this is and how it can tell you about your heart health. Really amazing. So when you sleep with the ring and you let it produce this overall plot, it can show you different ways that this looks. And when it looks like a comet like that, your heart's in basically good condition. You can say see more, and it'll talk about HRV trends and what the different Lorenz patterns are. There's a baseball racket, expansion, raindrop, and it explains in deep detail what each of these may mean for your heart health. May mean, it's not a diagnosis, it's just a representation of what they've seen in the past, that these types of conditions tend to produce Lorenz scatter diagrams that look like this. So really advanced stuff that looks like a wedding ring. Wow, 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 wow. Very, very impressed. Okay, and it's just basically through the nighttime that it produces all of this while you're asleep. So that's all here in the heart rate variability. Your blood oxygen levels by the hour are shown available, and then, of course, your overall heart rate throughout the day is there, as well as being able to take that instantaneous heart rate. Your mind-body readiness gets in here, gives you an overall score that takes into account your sleep, your activity, your heart rate, and blood oxygen. And sleep, of course, well, we have to go to a different tab for that, is here. And this shows you your overall sleep overview. And there's the breakdown, including your awake time, REM sleep, and deep sleep. And sobers when you're awake, I guess, and the blue, and the deep sleep's the dark purple here. Your time in each of those on a pie chart. Your sleep efficiency is here. Overall score is great. Great information. And guys, this is the same type of information for the bracelet, because I didn't have sleep data when I first did the review on the bracelet. But this is the type of chart that you would see there. And as you touch it, you see you can go in, say I was sober. That doesn't mean you woke up from a stupor drinking the night before. That means you're awake. You're awake between those hours and so forth. And your dream time is right there. So, like I said, if you're both wearing your rings and you have them paired to your app, and in the morning you sync them to your phone, you don't need your phone with you while you're in bed, just wear the rings, you can compare your sleep outcomes and see if you guys were dreaming at the same time. I love that. That is so fun. You have sleep music in here if you want to do relaxation type music to help you sleep. A sleep coach that recommends your sleep duration based on your history as you've been sleeping with your rings for a while. My last duration was 9 hours, 9 minutes. It's recommending an 8-hour sleep for me. And so all of that is in here. Then you got your sports, and this is where you close the circles for your number of steps. I'm looking to hit 8,000, and I'm almost there. There's consumption, which is your calories burned, and distance travel. You can see each day, and I've only had it for a couple of days now, just last night's sleep information. You can see the exact output of all of these days in the circle type of expression. You can see the different types of exercises that you can do right here, and you have your exercise records. So if you've done any specific exercises, they're going to show up in here with all of the data that goes along with them as well. And finally, mine. This is where you got, it's a luck ring. You can change your nickname. This one's set for me. Gender is male and all of this stuff, so you're not seeing the female period tracking information, which is why I usually register as female, but in this paired up companion ring, I'm male and Mrs. Tix is registered female. So I don't see the period tracking, but she does. You've got motion gaming sensors capability on this. You have all these different games that you can download and play and use the ring as a motion sensor, right? Hot games that you can do. So it can detect the movement of the ring in your hand, on your hand, as you dance, as you skate, as you do all these different things. Basketball, motion sensor games. Control switch, you turn that on. You can do it for gesture control, and you have different types of gesture activity that you can do. I mean, this is really, really sophisticated, and it doesn't even look like a smart ring. Family care, shake to take a photo, auto health monitoring. You want to make sure all those things are turned on if you want to have that monitoring done. It eats into the battery a little bit, but you got decent battery life on here. Imperial or metric, Fahrenheit or centigrade, because it does track the temperature information and more information as well. Languages, account management, sign out, log out, all of the typical kind of stuff. Luck Ring is the app that you're using that even has Lorenz scatter diagrams and the HRV, and it's all tied to this amazing ring. Very thin, very, very well designed, his or hers, and coming to you directly from Wrongduck. And they have US-based distribution, which is why I'm able to review these for you. I was able to get them in as samples really quickly. So if you want to get something really fast, the bracelet, the ring, or any of their other products, just check it out. I got the links to go right over there and the link to pick this up with an extra discount. So check and apply my discount when you buy, and any other things that you see there supposedly will stack together. $46 or so without yet taking the different percentages off. So you can pick up a pair of these if you're interested at a very, very good price, have all this incredible technology and capabilities, and compare with your partner. Whenever you're ready. Friendship ring, wedding ring, or just for fun. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again soon. Hope to be back. Make sure you subscribe and turn the bell on, because I'm not doing these reviews as frequently as I was, because I simply can't get the product in. But once all the tariff stuff settles down and things start flowing on a regular basis, we got a lot of stuff to show you. So definitely subscribe. And as I mentioned in the beginning, there's a special going on right now. You buy one, get a second one for half off. You guys can marry up, partner up. It's a great deal. Check the show notes for more information.